In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Google Calendar to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have the Google Apps Sync extension installed in your Zoho account so your calendar events can stay aligned with your CRM activities. We'll move step by step, and you can pause at any point to follow along in your own browser. First, open your web browser and go to your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you're signed in with the correct user profile that has permission to install marketplace extensions. If you're part of a team, this is usually an admin or someone with similar access. Once you're logged in, you should be looking at your main Zoho CRM interface with the top navigation bar visible. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for the marketplace icon. Depending on your layout or theme, this may appear as a small shopping bag or a grid-style icon labeled Marketplace. Hover your mouse in that top right area, and when you see Marketplace, click on it. This will open the Zoho Marketplace, which is where you can add extra tools and integrations to your CRM. Once the Marketplace page loads, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into the search bar and type Google Apps Sync. Take a moment to check your spelling because similar extensions may appear, and you want the one specifically named Google Apps Sync that's designed to work with Zoho CRM. After typing the name, press Enter or click the search icon to see the results. You should now see Google Apps Sync listed in the search results. It may appear along with other Google-related extensions, but look for the one that clearly mentions syncing Google services, including Calendar, with Zoho CRM. When you've found Google Apps Sync, click on it to open the detail page. On the extension detail page, you'll see an overview of what the integration does, along with screenshots and possibly some user reviews. This page confirms that you're installing the correct tool. It's worth taking a moment to scan through the description so you understand how the sync works and which Google services are covered. When you're ready, look for the Install button. This is usually located near the top of the page on the right side. Click Install. Zoho may prompt you to confirm which CRM, workspace, or organization you want to install it in, and it may show you the permissions the extension needs. Read through these briefly so you know what kind of access you're granting between Zoho CRM and Google. Then confirm the installation if a confirmation window appears. Once you click Install and confirm, Zoho will start adding the Google Apps Sync extension to your CRM. This may take a few moments. After it's installed, you'll typically be guided through some basic setup steps to connect your Google account and choose what you want to sync, such as calendar events. And that's it. You've installed Google Apps Sync from the Zoho Marketplace, which is the key step in linking Google Calendar to Zoho CRM. From here, you can fine-tune your sync settings inside the extension so your calendar and CRM stay in sync the way you prefer.